intention how kari jam ya kara. Ada anyone lagi kara mio kara mio kunci kara. Ada anyone Ikirat yo saksi ni sending yo everybody jingyo everybody kutin limbayong ora
الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين صدق الله مولانا العظيم
सूर्यकोटि समाप्रभा निर्विघ्नं सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
नमो आर्याणं नमो उज्जैनं नमो लोय सर्वे साधना
You to give him the wisdom, the strength, the capability to govern this 1.4 billion people of the great nation, Bharat. Lord, we bestow upon you all his colleagues in the Union Cabinet so that they will have one agenda, and that is to build up this great nation of ours in the midst of turmoil all over around the world. My Lord, my God, as party Karyakartas today, we humble and with all humility we come before you.
Our respected presidents and all our Karyakarta for gathering here today for the reasons that we have a very big reason to celebrate the achievement of 12 years of our honorable Prime Minister, our beloved Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. At the same time, we have also our friends who have come all the way from Gujarat, the former MP, and also he has been here 20 years back. You have to be welcome him and also give a big round of applause to our Sagar ji, who have come all the way from Gujarat to celebrate with all of us, with the people of Meghalaya, for the achievement that we have been given to our country today. To Modi, the 12 years of the Modi government, Seva, Samaran, Sushasan and Vikas. We have done so round development. With this few words, I'd like to share with all of you, and I wish that BJP in 2028 will be a BJP-led government in Meghalaya. And thank you, and God bless you all.